Good morning from Western Material Handling. Today, this Dennis and Spencer. We are looking at stock number D21022. This is a SKYJACK SJIII-3226. There we go. This particular unit is 32 inches wide and will raise 26-foot platform height. I will let it go through a standard door and still go 26 feet in the air. Has collapsible guards so that you can get through a standard door with it. This particular unit has brand new batteries and brand new non-marking tires. Fence is going to run up 26 feet in the air. It gives you a 32-foot working height. Takes a while to get there. There's 26 feet in the air. Beautiful Colorado sky. If you can use a unit like this, come to Western Material Handling, Denver, Fort Collins. Check us out on the web, betterforklift.com. Thank you for looking at our video. We appreciate it.